Hi Gemini, it's Missy Tarot here, and I'm going to be doing your reading for the March 2021 here, okay? There. So first off, Gemini, I'm getting this energy of, I'm hearing the realist, so I'm getting like people want to see you at your realest. You know how like when you don't get out of bed because you're like, I don't know, your makeup's not done, your hair's not done, or what have you, and you're just ready to put on your persona and you're ready to go out the door. You know, you got people you're texting for the day that you're gonna see for the day. You know what? They want to see you before you see them. In this way, I'm hearing, okay? So I'm gonna put on a shawl here real quick. Also, I'm hearing the lovers in Adam and Eve. I'm also hearing Nude Beach. I'm not sure what that's alluding to. I'm not sure what Nude Beach has anything to do with you, Gemini, but this is the energy that you are going to be dealing with here for around March. It's kind of what I'm getting. In a way that you already know that everybody is connected here because you are, you embody Adam and Eve, okay? So let's clear and ground. Very interesting messages that are already. So I am a channeler. I like to channel messages that come through here for each sign, and I only interact with the spirit guides and the energies, and I try to keep negative energies out of it, but sometimes they do pop in just to trigger you once in a while. Okay, so let's clear and ground here. That's definitely Gemini energy. You definitely understand the dynamic when it comes to that. Dynamic. Okay, so we have the okay, yeah. You understand, I'm hearing you say, pick your pleasure, pick your poison. Either one, you know. Pick your pleasure, pick your poison. I got them all. Or in a way that it's like almost like the same thing, right? It's almost like the same thing. Like I'm seeing Scorpio here, Sun and Scorpio here. With the pleasure, Sun and Scorpio. This is pleasure card. This is like childhood memories and stuff like that. So this could be like, and with the strife card, this is like a poison with pleasure. Okay, and then we have it Sun and Capricorn popping out here. Also, this could come down to somebody could be very private when it comes to their personal life here as well. Let me bring in some light. And I'm seeing that it's more about being vulnerable with your audience or your friends here, because we have the Fool. Good friends, happiness, okay. Taking the leap forward when it comes to the ultimate. Like, I know you guys don't care about, you know, what people say here. And I'm seeing that in the cards, but with the Four of Pentacles, kind of holding stuff back, you know. You're almost there, but you just can't seem to reach it. So this always comes down to, this could be you with your higher self. This comes down to being confident enough to be naked enough, you know, to be naked enough here. I'm not sure exactly what that's alluding to. Could be metaphorically as well. I feel like it's good. I'm hearing it's good to look in the mirror. I'm not really sure what that's alluding to. Now, maybe this could be, I'm seeing like somebody in the morning with a bunch of like post-it notes like on their, post-it notes on their mirror, saying like, you know, you got this, you got this. This mirror could be like a water sign around you, maybe, who is motivating you to be the best self you can be and to not get in your head as much. I'm hearing that as well. Now this person, I'm hearing, is highly supportive of you as well, okay? So this could be Taurus, Sagittarius, or Capricorn here. Yes, could be dealing with the Pisces, or have that in your chart. Also, I'm seeing the Ten of Cups, and also I'm seeing blood here as well for you, which is really interesting because this is Mars in Pisces, right? Also, I'm hearing salty sea with this. Salty sea, blood. Also, I'm seeing the scene from The Shining when the blood was like going down the elevator. I'm not really sure what that's alluding to. Let's clear and ground. Now, this could be something, I'm seeing like an energy coming from your being that can never be taken away, that can never be stripped because you're already naked, you know? I'm hearing cape as well here for you. I'm hearing cape. I'm hearing cape. Two of Cups. Some of you guys could be on Tinder. I don't know. That's like a random message. Okay. I get this feeling in the cards here of somebody not knowing that they're being watched here. I see like your spirit guides around you, waiting for you to pray so that they can whisper in your ear and tell you what's up. As we see the devil here. Okay, so this could be messages from, I'm hearing both sides of the coin here. Your spirit guides, I'm hearing your team leaders. Okay, you could have Capricorn in your chart. All right. Okay. Now, I'm getting a sense that you are understanding the love when it comes to both sides of people and the connection. It's literally like I'm seeing like a conductor conducting the heart train, like the blue heart connection here, in a way that, yeah, everybody is beautiful in their own way, in their own experience. I'm getting this energy of Gemini. You're really appreciating two heads aren't better than one. I'm getting this vision right here. I was seeing this. Many heads are better than one, and you're understanding that. This is like symbolically, like this is the collective here, and this is the body. Body, yaddy, yaddy. Great. Love and light to everybody here, Gemini. Right. I'm seeing that you are the conductor, okay? Ducks. Also, I'm hearing a role model when it comes to that stuff, like, you know, connecting with people and understanding people not on just a face level, but on an experience level. Seeing people skin deep is what I'm hearing here with the Death card, okay, and the Five of Wands. Changing conflict. You are literally so powerful when it comes to changing the energy, like in a room. You could definitely, I'm hearing diversion as well here with the Five of Wands and the Death card. I'm hearing that it's something in the way that you speak, something in the way you move. Also, I'm hearing snake here as well. Here with the 6 of coins, 2 of cups. Also, I'm hearing platter. I'm hearing moon and Taurus. You could have moon and Taurus. And also I'm getting that you could be taking care of somebody as well, Gemini. That's very, very, very sweet. So if you do volunteer at like a nursing home or something like that, it's definitely showing out in the cards here. So very good job. Very beautiful energy. I'm hearing Capricorn as well as Leo here. Transmuting that a friendless, cold energy into something so beautiful and warm. You are so good at that here. Because this is like the other side of the Lovers, so it's like there's like 4 sides of you, is what I'm seeing here. In a way that you really understand the other side, so then you...
I don't think any more needs to be said.
And then you really turn that into something that can be worthwhile and you can laugh about here with the 7 of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands here. Alright, so that's all I have for you, and I hope you like this and subscribe. And I'm going to leave an extended down below if you want to check that out. Bye.